looks a bit creepy, but anyways, here's our 164. I'm going to use a magic to see the face just like this. Here is the tail. But anyways, I'm going to use a magic to see the face just like this. Here's the face with the Mexican hat. Hello Numberblock fans, in today's video we're going to exploring our number block 161 to 170. The first character is 161. 161, I build first 100 redstone blocks into 10 by 10 square, 60 light indigo blocks at the top to make 160, and 1 red block at the top and at the corner to make 161. However, number block 161 is made out of 7 lots of 23s. Well, number block 161 we build into 7 lots of 23 is too tall for me. That's why I build into this shape. Okay, now we got 160 blocks. And then we need to add 1 red block more to make 161. Okay, we need to put it at the top, right, and corner. Now we got 161. Okay, what should I do next? I'm going to use a magic to see the face just like this. Here's the face. And then we need our number link to make our number block 161. Okay, that's our 161. The next character is 162. We build 162 into 9 by 18 rectangle formation. According to number block 18 times table, number block 162 is made out of 9 lots of 18s and also wears the bow tie because number block 162 could also split into 3 lots of 54s, and 54 divisors always wears bow tie, and also it has a number block 9 and 18 pattern to represent 9 lots of 18s are 162. This is our number block 162. Also, I'm going to use a magic to see its face just like this. Here's the face. And then we need to attach its number link to make 162. Now, here's our number block 162. The next character is 163. 163 is made out of 100 redstone blocks, 60 light indigo blocks, and 3 yellow blocks. We build just like 161 because number block 163 is the prime number, 38th member of the prime club, which has crazy shaped eyebrows. Although number block 163 has a crazy shaped eyebrows, number block 163 couldn't still divide it by 19 because number block 163 is the 38th member of the prime club. Now we got 160 blocks, and then we need to add 3 yellow blocks to make 163. Okay, I'm going to use magic to see the face just like this. Here's the face, and then we need to attach the numbering. So here's our 163. The next character is 164. 164 I built just like before because 164 doesn't have any divisors, which is 4 lots of 41s. However, number block 164 has 4 lots of 41s, and 41 is the 13th member of the prime club. Should be that number block 41 is unlucky, but I don't want to make unlucky. I want to make it stylish and more fashionate. Anyways, which means that now all the 41 divisors always loves Halloween and has the tail. Looks a bit creepy, but anyways, here's our 164. I'm going to use a magic to see the face just like this. Here is the tail, and then we need a number link for 164. So here's our 164. The next character is 165. 165 I built into 11 by 15 rectangle formation because number block 165 could split into 11 lots of 15s or 15 lots of 11s. Okay, we build just like that. And number block 165 has eyes bigger than each other because to represent 15th member of the football club. So we need to build just like this. Be careful, the blocks aren't stuck each other easily because it has dual connectors. Now we got our number block 165. There, we got 165. Also, I'm going to use a magic to see the face just like this. Here's the face. And we need to attach the number link. So we got our number block 165. The next character is 166. 166 is made out of 100 redstone blocks, 60 light indigo blocks, and 6 dark indigo blocks. Well, 166 is made out of 2 lots of 83s. I built just like before, like 165, but it has 1 block left over. Be very carefully, just like this. Be careful. Anyways, we need to build like this. Now we got 150 blocks. And then we need to build 16 blocks at the side to make 166, which is 1 block left over. We build at the right and at the corner, not at the top. Well, number block 166 is made out 2 lots of 83s, and 83 is the 23rd member of the Prime Club, which means a half unlucky because 23 couldn't make any rectangles. So, which means that 83 is also a bit unlucky too. So I'm going to use a little magic to see the number block 166 face just like this. Here's the face. And we need to attach its numbering, so we got 166. The next character is 167. 167 I built into, into 12 by 14 rectangle formation. Well, we need to build just like this, but it has 1 block gap because 168 minus 1 equals 167. Okay, also number block 167 is the 39th member of the Prime Club, but I want to make unlucky numbers again. I want to make the Mexican mode, which wears the Mexican hat. Well, I don't know. The number block, if we times 2, we got 334 and wears the Mexican hat. But anyways, I'm going to use the magic to see the face just like this. Here's the face with the Mexican hat. And we need a numbering, so that's our 167. The next character is 168. 168 is made out of 100 redstone blocks, 60 light indigo blocks, and 8 pink blocks. We build 168 just like 167, but this time it's a full rectangle. Okay, because 12 times 14 equals 168. 168 has the Explorer hat because number block 168 is the 8th member of the Explorer number. Well, which could split into 8 lots of 21s. Alright, we got 140 blocks, and then we need to add 28 blocks to make 168. Now we got 160 blocks, and then we add 8 pink blocks to make 168. So here's our number block 168. Alright, I'm going to use a magic to see the face just like this. Now here's the Explorer number Explorer. And then we need a numbering, so this is our number block 168. The next character is 169. 169 is made out of 100 redstone blocks, 60 light indigo blocks, and 90 tones of gray blocks. We built 169 into 13 by 13 square, which is the 13th member of the Square Club. Unlucky, but square! I think number 169 scares the round is afraid of the round things just like the squares. Anyways, number 169 is too unlucky for me because 13 times 13. Unlucky squared. Okay, we got 169. Now we need to use a magic to see the face just like this. Here is the face. And we need to attach the numbering for number 169. So here's our 169. Okay, the last character is 170. 170 is made out of 100 redstone blocks and 70 light rainbow blocks. However, number 170, according to number block, 17 times table. 170 could also split into 10 lots of 17s. Okay, we need to build 170 into 10 by 17 rectangle formation. We need to flip horizontal and then flip vertical back, so it's easy to build. So this is our 170. I'm going to use the last magic to see the last face, just like this. Here is the face and the number lane for 170. So here is our number block 170. Also, today's video is the end. I hope you guys enjoyed our number block 161 to 170. See you the next time, fans. Bye bye.